Once again, this is good dairy butter. Don't ever believe that there's such a thing as soy milk. Soybeans do not give milk.
Where does it come from?
It comes from grain that they put pesticides on. Soybeans. They put pesticide on.
You're telling tales.
And then they're trying to sell you that that's healthy.
Let's look at your butter. Wait, let's see. There's that butter in there. Oh, I can't even see it anymore. It's gone. There's a big chunk. Except Paula Dean would be proud.
Now, generally my potatoes are a little bit runnier.
Do you like them that way?
No, Mom doesn't like them like that. It's because I get carried away with adding the butter
and the American
the good dairy butter.
Full fat
80%
milk.
butter.
80%.
Now, if we were really doing good, we'd have Pelugra butter. 82% fat. And that's made by Keller's Creamery.
Maybe they'll send you some.
Well, I'm sure they will.
You can get some for free.
Now, my dear.
Yes.
You get to sample.
Oh, I get to sample? Okay. Here, Mom. Here, film me sampling the potatoes.
See if it's salty enough. The other thing you need is a little salt and lime. That keeps you cured.
Those are good. Maybe it's a little bit of salt, but they taste good.
That's good.
Perfect! Yay!
Now what we're going to do is we're going to put the old, kind of finish them off.
Alright, let's see you whip it up. Whip it up!
Whip it up. We're whipping it up.
Make sure to give it that burst of power. Hey!
Put a little squirt of milk in here.
It's gonna make them runnier.
You know, when you're beating them like this, when you're beating them like this, they kind of. These are what you call whipped potatoes.
Whipped potatoes.
And that's what good potatoes look like.
Yeah, let's see. Let me get close up. Ooh.
And pooey on the Pilgrims. They didn't have potatoes like this.
Yay! Good job, Dad.
They didn't have Irish potatoes. They had sweet potatoes.